You'll always be my day one. Day zero when I was no one. I'm nothing but myself. You are no one else. Thankful you're my day one. Thankful you're my.
Hello guys, it's vlog number 2. I wasn't able to take a video when I woke up this morning because I looked really shitty. I just went out and went straight and cooked because I was so hungry. And yeah, I made Kimbap today. You will see the video after this on how I made Kimbap. Yeah, it's kind of a long process. It's a little messy, but it's really good. So watch me how I make my Kimbap. So today we are making something really delicious. It's called Kimbap. So this is probably gonna be our day for I'm sorry, just woke up. This is probably gonna be our food for the whole day. So I'm making more so we can snack on something. But also I have this banana. It's plantain banana, which is, I think it's called saging na saba in Filipino. So I'm gonna make some maruya. So yep. Yee-hee. That's my work. So I have everything ready in here. I have my rice that's already seasoned, my spinach, my egg, my teriyaki spam. I personally prefer teriyaki spam because it has more flavor on it. And then I have my pickled radish, and then the other side, that's my cucumber, and then sauteed some carrots. So there you go. I just need to roll them up and then they're ready to eat. In here. So this is the finished product, Kimbap. So these are like the smaller hand rolls in there. So yeah, nom 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 nom. Kimbap, don't fall.
Ooh, that looks fancy.
Yes, breakfast. I'm gonna take it. Hehe. Let me take a picture of you. So yeah, nothing interesting to do today. All stores are closed. Can't really do or go anywhere. So yeah, but since I'm doing my vlog and care if nobody watched this, but I'm just dead bored. I just don't know what to do. So I'm gonna put my eyebrows today. See that? I don't have eyebrows, so yeah. I'm gonna but show you how I put my eyebrows. This is not the brush that I usually use. I use the Morphe brush, eyebrow brush, but I don't know where I put it. I must have thrown it or what. So I was cleaning my dad. So this is at the shade of mocha. Wow, I can do that. And then I'm just using this Real Technique eyebrow brush. I mean, this one is okay, but I don't really use this much. I prefer the Morphe brush, but I can't find it, so yeah. I can even brush my brows. I don't have the brush for the brows, so I'm just gonna do this. Okay, so let's do this. Ooh. I think my cat is there watching me. My co-worker told me about this Morphe eyebrow, what do you call this? Eyebrow cream. And I was like, you know what, let me try it. And ever since, I never tried any other product. I've been using Morphe for like 2 years now. And it's so far so good. Just a little mascara here to make my eyes look awake. I am like on cloud nine right now. I'm so like, I went back to lip tint. So when I went home to the Philippines, I had a layover in Korea, so they have the duty free in there. So I found this stuff in here. I was like, oh, I used to use that when I was in college. So I love this thing. So just put a little in there, and it makes me look alive again. There you go. Did my eyebrows. And I don't know, what else are we gonna do today? Maybe say hi, naman. You've been wearing the same shirt from yesterday.
Oh, I know. I'm gonna change it.
So, it's quarantine day 1,000,000. I don't know, 100, 200.
We're losing track of days.
I don't even know like what day is it. But yeah, it's very gloomy today. It's a rainy weekend, like what I said from my yesterday. It was pouring rain. Yeah. Andrew wants to clean, but I'm like, I've been cleaning the whole day yesterday. I kind of want to rest.
Both of us too.
Yeah, it's not kinda. It is raining and gloomy today. Look at that. Whew. Good morning, guys. This is our current situation right now. Drew will be driving with his plastic window. So we are up early to have his window fixed. We don't know how long it's gonna take, but yeah, hopefully it gets done quick so we could come back home and just do whatever. Here at the shop today, so Drew is inside. Didn't really go out. Just gonna wait here. Just gonna get out once they fixed it. But yeah, Today I made my dalgona coffee and this is such a fail. I'm not gonna put it on the tumbler again. Just want to show you guys something. My ex-boyfriend, it's in my ears. That's my ex-boyfriend. I mean, yeah, he cheated on me, that's why we broke up, but you know, he was the one who got away. So what do you think about my ex-boyfriend?
I dance better.
What? No, you don't. So after 2 hours of waiting, no, that's not 2 hours, that's 9, 10. Then after 3 hours of waiting, we finally finish having Misty's window fixed. I'm running out of English. Nagugutom na ako. But yeah, right now we're going to Smart and Final to do some little. We just need to pick up a couple of things like creamer,
A few essentials like coffee creamer
and orange juice. And I'm really hungry right now, so we got some Wiener Schnitzels. So right now we're parked in Smart and Final's parking lot. And we're just gonna eat real quick because I'm really hungry. This is the Chicago hot dog.
Yes.
I don't know, I was gonna say this is the Chicago Wiener Schnitzel.
It's the Chicago dog.
And then, ooh, yours looks good, Baba. And this is juice hot dog. Check on mine.
They would kick you out of Chicago for that.
Why?
Remember that sign I showed you when I was in Chicago?
Oh yeah. But hey, I'm a Filipino. Ketchup is life for us. We put ketchup in almost everything. Did you know we put ketchup in scrambled egg?
People do that here too.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh shit, it fell. I don't want to make a mess, but...
I'm Mexican. We put salsa on scrambled egg.
This is too much. Oh, the pineapple.
Yeah, I'm like, wait, why are you walking by the pineapple?
We're gonna make some chicken macaroni Filipino style. What?
Huh?
Ice.
Ice. That's towards the front.
Yes. So, last night I slept alone here in the bedroom because I was mad with Drew. I was just really grumpy because when we came home, we went to the store to buy a few stuff, and you know, like my routine ever since this pandemic happened is that I need to disinfect everything that comes into the apartment, you know, because what's the use of, you know, wearing gloves and, you know, wearing masks, and then you bring stuff inside your home and you just don't sanitize them. My freaking cat comes in. So time check, it's already 9:13. I think I need to wake him up because his conference call, I'm pretty sure that guy did not put alarm on. Of course. Guys, your first child is your husband. Oh my goodness. Do you need to be in conference call at 10 o'clock?
No.
Aren't you gonna say sorry to me?
What did I do?
You know my routine?
I know. I thought you did that when I was pooping.
It was on the ground, so it was not disinfect.
Oh, I didn't know. I thought you were doing that. When I went there, I was like,
Do you know how long is it to disinfect stuff? And you just don't put stuff in the fridge if you didn't even know if it's disinfect. What's the use of me wearing gloves and masks if you're just gonna put it wherever you want?
You're already giving me attitude.
Because I was hungry. I'm still hungry. Okay, are you gonna say sorry?
Are you going to say sorry too?
Well, you have to say sorry first.
Oh, I am sorry.
Okay, I'm sorry too.
What time is it?
It's already 9:23. So for our breakfast today, nothing too complicated. Just making some Nutella and bread, and I guess Drew is making some butter raspberry toast. It's pretty good, but I don't want to do that because I always eat that. So dito sa America, when nagawa sila ng coffee, you know, usually back home, diba, we use like powder creamer. Here, they use the liquid one, but they have different flavors. So right now he's using the almond joy. It's a type of chocolate candy. So yeah, this is my Nutella bread, and then what I do is I just fold them into half, and then I like it very thin. So I just like press on them like this, and then I eat it like that. That's how I eat my Nutella bread. Yeah. And then later, I'm gonna be making some chicken macaroni salad. It's not the American style, it's gonna be the Filipino style. So there you go, I made a chicken macaroni salad Filipino style. So I'm stuck here in the room with my cat. This is what he does. I need to edit video. I'm gonna edit some video so I can make vlog number 2. Ang cute-cute mo talaga. You're so cute. Huh? This cat likes kisses. Kisses. Okay, so I'm ending this vlog. 3-day vlog here. Good night. Adios.
You'll always be my day.